is also about forces. But this time we're going to find the acceleration of how fast something is going to speed up when it's being lifted. A 10 kilogram box is resting on a table. What happens to the box when a vertical force of 100 newtons is applied? So when a question asks what happens, this question is asking about acceleration. So we know how to find acceleration from that new triangle. F over ma, just like x over vt. From this triangle, we can get three different combinations of equations. F equals ma, a equals f over m equals f over a. In our first problem, we found f equals ma. In this last problem, we're going to find a equals f over m. This is going to require another drawing. Got my shoebox, got a table. Then we're going to draw an arrow, what's happening to the box. Weight is the force that pulls all things down. So give yourself a nice arrow pulling down on the box. And the opposite of weight is called normal. But we're not just doing a normal force. We're actually putting a vertical force, which doesn't necessarily have to be the opposite of weight. So I'm just going to draw an upward arrow and put 100 on it. This is not going to be the exact opposite of weight. So it's not the normal force. But how do we find how fast the object is moving up off the table? We have to first find the weight of the object. So this part is a little bit of review. It's going to be F equals mg, but m is the mass and gravity is negative 9.8. Emiliano, what's negative 9.8 times 10? What is it? Negative 98. Okay, we just found that in the last problem. But now we're going to add 100 newtons to it to give us the acceleration. Sorry, to get the force that includes the 100 newtons pulling up. So we're now going to do this. Negative 98 plus 100. Emiliano, do one more for us. What's negative 98 plus 100? Two. So now we have our acceleration. I keep saying acceleration. Now we have our force. Force divided by mass gives us acceleration, and that's what's happening, quote unquote, to the box. So let's use this last equation. F equals ma. We're going to apply that down here. Okay. Sorry, a equals f over m. And then we plug in for f, and we plug in for m. Pedro Mendoza, what is 2 divided by 10? That's 10 divided by 2. Period 1 did the same thing. What's 2 divided by 10? 0.2. And that's what's happening to our box. It is a slow acceleration of